With fully customizable 7-day programming, standardized snap-together installation, and smart energy-saving geofencing, the Honeywell T6 Pro Smart Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat is a smart choice for any smart home conversion job. Homeowners love being able to set it and forget it. After programming a weekly schedule and enabling geofencing, which takes just minutes on the app, the T6 Pro can run seamlessly and efficiently while continuously adapting to homeowners' schedules. Adjustments are simple and can be made from anywhere with a phone or mobile device. But the T6 Pro is particularly impressive as a thermostat designed for contractors. While it's packed with new features and advancements, the T6 Pro's user interface and mount have been largely carried over from existing models. Familiar software and hardware means faster install and setup times with no need for additional training. The T6 Pro even comes with a 5-year warranty, a hallmark of well-supported products and a sure sign of long-term dependability. The T6 Pro Smart Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat from Honeywell Home is available with free shipping from Supplyhouse.com. Make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.